I just got back from an Alaska cruise on Discovery Princess. I did the 360 dining experience. Let me tell you all about it.
Upon arrival, you are greeted with these amazing 360 drinks. The event host then guides you through a specialty restaurant to a private back room through the kitchen doors. You are greeted and seated and taking in the experience from here. There's a reason why they call it 360. It's a circular experience, extremely immersive. The sounds, the foods, the taste, the smells, it's amazing. Your table comes alive, you get to interact while you learn about the regions and the amazing foods that are featured within those regions. The staff are animated, warm, friendly, and very inviting. There is never one dull moment. One of the highlights is the lemon pasta. It is a must try. If you're quick, recipe pops up on the screen. Have your phones ready. Another feature is the sea-aged wine covered in barnacles. Folks, this wine is not for sale and only exclusive for this event. There is never a dull moment. This is one of the most wonderful dining experiences I have had upon a cruise ship. From the host, the foods, pairings, taste, smells, the wonderful staff, everything from start to finish, all the magical moments in between, you'll just have to experience this for yourself. I can only tell you how wonderful it really was, but if you go, I promise you won't be disappointed. I'm pretty sure you'll want to come back and do this a second time, even a third time, just like myself. If you enjoyed this, follow for more, ask any questions you wish in the comments about the 360 dining. Bon appetit, and I will see you in the next video.